So this is our ocean view cabin. 5th deck, 5102, sleeps 4. The vanity and desk area with the wonderful hair dryer they have. The artwork over one of the beds. Seeing the doorway, the television, some shelves, table, the ice bucket and glasses. The bathroom door has 2 towel bars as well as 3 hooks at the top, which I put my shoe bag on. The bathroom sink is quite large, very nice. There are towel racks and shelves and a tissue box on the side. This is the way the bathroom's set up. There's 3 areas, the toilet, the shower, and the vanity sink. There's the toilet area, which has a sliding door. The nice seashell light over the toilet. As you can see, they still have ashtrays attached to the wall. There's a grab bar. This is the sliding door closed to the toilet area. This is the shower with the nice teak wood. You can see at the bottom there's no leaking on the floor because it has a nice lip. This is the doors closed to the shower. This again is inside the shower. Has a couple of shelves in there. Got your body wash and your shampoo. There again is the toilet area. The sink. The shower. It's quite large in the shower. Nice and roomy. There's a little shelf in the closet that you do not have to put down if you don't want. There is also a light in the closet. And you can see there's a ladder off to the side because we did have a bunk in there. The safe. The safe is very deep. It is a huge safe. There is a full-size folder in there with all my paperwork. You can see how much room there is. The refrigerators have lights in them. Now, how often do you see that on a cruise ship? There's plenty of shelves over that, too. This is how they welcome you back to the ship on Norwegian. They only had a short carpet out today, but they put the red carpet out. Sometimes they'll be out there dancing. Definitely music is playing. And they have a man there to welcome you back with cold towels on hot days. Nice seating area with refreshments for you when you get back after visiting one of the ports. You can sit down, chill out a little bit. This was our cabin steward who kept things nice for us. That's it.